It's time to replace what your laptop lost. It's kind of a bummer how our portable computers keep losing ports, and there are numerous dongles and adapters and hubs you can use to replace them, but we're always on the lookout for something nice. I really like my travel solution, and I use it with my phone a lot. But let's say a laptop is the center of your mobile and home work solution. Maybe you're in a dorm room or a minimalist home office. You'd want something nicer than this to plug into when you get home. And that's what we're taking a look at today. Moshi's Symbus Q packages most of the laptop omissions, adds a handy phone support feature, and builds it all into a nicer aesthetic. No, really, this looks better on your desk. It's satisfyingly heftier than some of those dongle hub adapters, though on a glass desk, it did slide around even for the matte soft touch finish of the base. But you connect one USB-C cable and you get dual full-sized USB-A, Ethernet, and HDMI output. And these options can be powered over USB, but you'll also have to plug in an AC adapter. Now, why do you have to plug in an AC adapter? Because the fun feature for your phone is the inclusion of Qi wireless charging. I get it now, Symbus Q. The Q stands for Qi charging. I'm slow, but I get there. And that adds to the practicality of the design. The fabric covering on top with these additional grippy accents, it's to keep your phone in place, and that's nice. Super handy for having a clean workspace managing your cables. Sit down, pop out your laptop, plug in one cable, throw your laptop to a monitor, charge your phone. I really like products which can keep things simple and also look pretty good doing it. Now, I indicated earlier that this has most of what you might want. The one omission I was hoping to see on this would be an SD card reader. Color me spoiled from my travel hub, but on the Moshi, you'd still need an external media card reader. Maybe it's something to add for the Symbus too. Moshi has a pretty solid rep, making premium accessories, and that's reflected in the price here. $165 from the Moshi site. And it's one of the more complete options for adding ports and doubles up as your phone charger. The hook is doing all of this without being just another gray plastic box on your desk. A little life, a little charm. It's a good look. I'll of course have a link below in the description where you can find more info on the Symbus Q. Now, as always, thanks so much for watching, for sharing my videos, for subscribing, not just taking a look at some fun accessories. There are so many more conversations we need to have about getting the most out of our gadget purchases. And sometimes that means buying a laptop hub. If you would like to support those kinds of conversations, please head on over to SomeGadgetGuy.com. You're going to find a support banner. Click on that, and there's the full list of all of my current affiliates and partnerships. Or you could consider contributing directly through my Patreon page, patreon.com/SomeGadgetGuy, a growing community of like-minded tech pals, some really fun discussions, and it's home to all of my deep dive camera and audio reviews. I hope you'll check it out. Patreon.com/SomeGadgetGuy. Now, you know where you can find me around the rest of the internet, at SomeGadgetGuy on the Twitters and the Instagrams, the Facebooks, and more on the Twitch, and I will catch you all on the next review.